What are you? And I was correct. Come look at the screen.
I can't see where the hell that is.
Oh.
Gone. Good job, you got him. Where was that? Out and it was like boom, orange chest. That's the Baltimore. Now, is that a Baltimore or is it a different?
Yeah, I'm 99% sure it's a Baltimore. There we go.
It's lovely. I can't believe how many why more this year than last year? That's my question.
Yeah, I don't know.
Or did we honestly just not see them?
We didn't start bird sighting until around 4th of July. We've got 2 baby or adolescent mourning doves here that are pushing each other off and shitting up my newly painted deck railings. They're pretty cute. I don't think they're super ready to fly yet. I want to check the pool temp though. I guess somehow they got there, so they must be able to fly. Got the head bob down. But they're poopy. Papa tree swallow poking his head out. I saw that, yawn. Check the pool temp. Let's hope I don't scare these birds into crashing into the pool. They're pretty brazen. I'm pretty close now. Oh, they can fly. Oh my goodness. Gotta get that off. Pool temp is still 66. It looks nice though. Looks quite nice. What's up? What's up? We're headed to Mary's and Mitch's house soon for a housewarming. We're going to pick Nick up on the way and bring the rest of the Memorial Day keg. So hopefully we can get that finished and returned soon. Jackie's taking a rest right now because she had her glucose test earlier. I think that went pretty well. We'll get the results on Wednesday. And yeah, just a pretty quiet day around here. June 1st, gotta love it. Look at these big mosquitoes though. As I mentioned, we are going to take the leftovers of the Memorial Day keg with us because it would be nice to get rid of them. Not that it's bad, but it's been a labor of love to keep that ice down all week. So, and we could justify using the truck for it as well. So let's see if I can't get this in there. Okay. coming. Look at those, they're very high. Those bird fights. It's now raining. We're still outside. I did throw on my Sunday shirt though, because it's getting a little chilly. Tomorrow's not going to be very warm at all around here. But we'll catch some of the race, hang out. Depending on how long this goes, we might have to actually siphon the pool up a little bit. It's getting a little high. This is definitely a bit of a hodgepodge vlog, but we're going to experiment with our next thing, which is going to be getting prepared to install air conditioning units. Which, by the way, this is the basement. I don't know if we've ever really been down here too much on this channel. You can see that we're not really using it yet, but this is the air conditioning unit we used last year from Moss Ave. Very thankful for that one. And then we traded bicycles for these two, and these are freaking huge. Mama bear, Papa bear. Turns this one into a baby bear real quick. One needs to go into our bedroom this year. One needs to be in the living room for added AC for pregnant Jackies. But I want to see which one's quieter, make sure everything works. What we're going to use is this decibel-o-meter. Okay, so at resting, we're at like 33. Okay, so starting with the old AC unit from last year, on 7 low. Okay, so first off it works, second off it's 72 low, 76 high. Not bad. Not bad at all, actually. Okay, so we've plugged in Mama Bear, and first I don't know if this is the right remote or not. It is. That one at some point got to 82, but it looked like it was about 79 the whole time. And definitely a little louder. Definitely a little louder. Yeah, it must have been. This one is sweet. I was wrong. Alright, so this one was really quiet to start and then sort of kicked up a gear and got a little noisy. That one was noisiest overall, which was interesting. And that one was quiet, but we knew from last year that one was pretty good. Has its pluses and minuses. Good. This was a useful test. I'm not sure what's going where yet. Also, where do you want the quietest one? In the bedroom? Or do you want it in the living room when you're watching TV? Interesting, interesting. And then there's the whole mounting fiasco, which I hope is not a fiasco. Which one will drip less on my house? That's important as well. Well, more to come on this. It's not going to happen today because tomorrow's temperature is going to be 57, so not going to be a problem tomorrow. The next phase of this, so we can air condition the living room without air conditioning the entire planet, is we bought this door curtain, this EVA Inslag magnetic door curtain for this doorway over here by where Jackie's baking. The hope is that it's a sealed and efficient closure without looking junky.
Could you tell if I was pregnant from the back?
Nope. Oh yeah. We're getting there now.
Big girl, big girl.
Big girl. But it's a pretty thin doorway actually. It's only 27 inches, which is on the narrow side for the acceptable of this, according to the internet, resizable big piece of kit. But I'm a little bit worried. We shall see.